Examine radio. How are material remains examined? Radiocarbon dating. How are carbon vegetation examined? Pollen gases. What comes up under material remains? Temple, monastic, and molds. What is the study of coins called? Numismatic. What was the first coin to be made? Kusan period. Who issued most number of gold coins? Gupta. What is the study of inscription called? Epigraphy. What is the study of old writing or paleography? What language was used in 3rd century BC? Prakrit. Which language was used in 2nd century AD? Sanskrit. Which language was used in 9th century AD? Regional language corpus. Inscription indicament. Collection of inscription of Maurya, post-Maurya, and Gupta period. What is the script used in Ashokan inscription? Brahmi. Which script are used in Ashokan inscription in the northwest? First, right to left. How are the Ashokan period relocated by Firoz Shah Tughlaq in the 14th century AD? Meerut and Topra, Haryana. Who first deciphered the inscription? James Prinsep. What are Sohagora copper plate inscription about? Famine food storage. What does Musky inscription mention about Ashoka? Ashoka is referred to as Priyadasi or Devan Priya. Who issued the Allahabad inscription? Samudragupta. What is the need to study the Vedas, Vedanga? Which text guides public sacrifices? Srodota Sutra. Which text guides domestic ritual? Griha Sutra. What does Sulva Sutra deal with? Geometry and mathematical measurement. In which language are Buddhist texts written? Pali. Which language are Jain texts written? Prakrit. Where were Jain texts compiled in the 6th century AD? Balabi, Gujarat. What is the name of Sangam literature? Secular. What is the 8th anthology Sangam literature called? Itukutai. What is Puru Nana Nuru? A Sangam text with hundreds of poems. Who was Alexander? Greek. What does Indica by Megasthenes deal with? Samudragupta Maurya. Who wrote natural history? Pliny. What is planning history? Italian. Most ancient traveler of India. Which religion? Greek. What did Fayan come to India? 5th century AD during Gupta period. Why Hyung Sang came to India and for whom? Around 650 AD for Harsa. How did I.T. Singh come to India and for what? Around 680 for Nalanda. Who was robbed during his journey in India? Hyung Sang. Who mentioned about untouchability? Hyun Sang. What is the India's valley civilization called? Harappan, as the first discovered at Harappa. Where was the mother goddess found? Harappa. Whose city was the Great Bath? Mohenjo-daro. What is the largest granary found? Mohenjo-daro. What was the main feature of Ashokan Indus Valley civilization? Grid pattern, burn brick, and drain system. What was the ploughed field found? Kalibanga. What is the evidence of rice found? Lothal. Which animal has doubtful presence in the Indus Valley civilization? Horse, Surkutoda. What are the other names of the Indus Valley civilization? Harappa civilization, Bronze civilization, Meluham. Which metal was not used in the Indus Valley civilization? Iron. Why did they use barter system? No metal honey. What are the political organization of the Indus Valley civilization? Centralized leadership with no religious dominance. Which god is shown surrounded by animals? Pashupati Mahadev. What type of measurement were used? Multiple of 16. Which animals are not found in the Indus Valley civilization? Cow and bull. What is Lothal famous? Port. What is Kalibanga famous? Ploughed field. What is Dholabira famous? Inscription. What is Banavali famous? Terracotta replica. What is the meaning of Aryan? Vedic linguistic people. What is the difference between Aryan and Harappan poverty? Aryan had horses and were male but not. What is special about Aryan people? Pit videos, garments, and fire cult. Which text is devoted to horse sacrifice? The 10th century book of Rig Veda. What is Aditara? Saraswati. How many rivers are mentioned in Vedic period? 7. When did the Aryan came? Around 1500 BC. How many tribes belong to Aryan? Panchajana. Who chose the tribal chief Raja? Samiti. What is Sabha? Assembly. Who composed the Gayatri Mantra? Vishwamitra. What was the tax system? Only in Harappa. No formal taxation in early Vedic system. What is Bali? Voluntary gift. What are indigenous people? Dasa and Dasyu. What are female goddesses? Usa and Nediti. What is the collection of Vedic hymn called? Samhita. What does the Rig Veda contain? Recitation hymn word. What does the Sam Veda contains? Tunes. What does the Yajur Veda contains? Hymn and ritual procedure. What does the Atharva Veda contain? Charm and spell. What are Brahmans? Explanation of rituals and their meaning. What are Upanishads? Criticism of ritual and focus on knowledge. What is the simplified version of explanation of Vedas? Lage effect. Rigved wood, Samved tune, Yajurved Atharved output. What is latest Upanishad? Muktika. What are the Kathopunisha deal with? Nachiketa and Yam. What is mentioned in the Mundaka Upanishad Vivjayate? What is shortest Upanishad? Manduka Upanishad Muktika. What is Muktika Upanishad discussed? Parayana Aparva Vidya. What is the most mentioned river in the Vedic text? Indus. What is the most important river? The Vedic period, Saraswati. What is the main feature of the Rig Veda? Yagna. What was the not present in the Harappan period? Iron horse and cow. What are Vedic trained women called? Brahmavadini. What are Vedic untrained women called? Sadhyo Vadhu. What is the process of Vedic training called? Upanayan. Who was the wife sage Agastya Lokmandra? What was the when was the iron used after the Vedic period Mahajanpad? How many Mahajanpad was there? 16. What was the most powerful Mahajanpad? Earlier Kasi, later Magad. Who founded Magad? Bimbisara. What is the capital of Magad? Rajgiri. What is the ruler of Magad? Bau. Bimbisara, Ajasatru, Udayan. Which dynasty ruled Magad after them? Sisunag, Nand. What way Sunan famous? Destroyed Ujjain and made Vaisali the capital. What is the northern contemporary of Alexander opposed to Chanakya? What is the contemporary of Chandragupta Maurya? Chanakya seditious to Bindusara. What is the name of Asoka name founded in scripture? Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh. What is the language and script of Asoka's prayer? Prakriti, Brahmi script and Kharosthi. What was the main name of Asoka in the inscription? Devan Priyadasi. What is the pillar of Asoka in the inscription? 7 pillar edicts and 14 major rock edict. What war changed Asoka castle for Berighosa to Dhamaghosa? Kalinga war. Which Buddhist council was held by Asoka? Third Buddhist council. Mauryan art is associated with which pottery? Northern black polished ware. What was Buddhist council called? Sangati. Who succeeded Maurya? Sunga and Kanva, Adra. Where is Asoka's personal name mentioned? Musky inscription. Which edict mentions Sangam kingdom? Second and third rock edict. Who killed the last Mauryan ruler Brihadatti? Pushyamitra Sunga. Who killed the last Sunga ruler Devhuti? Vasudev Kanva. Who removed the last Kanva ruler? Andhra dynasty. What was the first foreigner to overthrow the Maurya? Bactrian and Greeks. Who converted the Menander to Buddhism? Nagasena. Who first issued gold coin? Greeks. Who issued the largest number of gold coins? Greeks. Who formed Buddhism duty? The Indo-Greek followed. Mahayana. Who defeated the Greeks? Saka. Who defeated Saka? Sakmikabadit Ujjain. Who Saka ruler repaired his dorsal leg? Rudradaman. Who followed the Saka? Parthian from Iran. What is Parthian ruler Gondor was famous? Associated with the Saint Thomas. Who followed the Parthian? Kusan from Yuji tribe. What was the two dynasty of the Kusan? Cadphiles and Kariska. Which calendar is followed by government of India? Sakahida. So 88 AD. Who introduced the Satrap system metric of Kusan? Who erected the Vishnu pillar at Vidisha? Heliodorus. Whom did the Kusan worship? Shiva and Mahayan Buddhism. What is Mahayan Buddhism called? The Great Wheel, popular by Greeks. Why does the Indian government use the Saka calendar to incorporate both Saka and Kusan? Who established India after the Mauryan Empire? Satavahan South and Kusan North. Who started the Gupta period 330 AD? Chandragupta I. Who was the court poet of the Samudrigupta? Harisena. Who is considered smaller, similar in character to Asoka Samudrigupta? Who is known as Vikramaditya Chandragupta II? To whom did Vikramaditya marry his daughter Pravati? Vaktak priest. Who became Chandragupta II successor Huns and Raja Pridhu? Who used grand titles in this Gupta period? How did feudalism become stronger during the Gupta period? Uncertainty successor hereditary, not strictly based on this one. What was the forced labor called in Gupta period? Which team? Who were Kumaratas? Gupta bureaucracy official. What were the Gupta and silver coin of the Gupta period called? Dinar and Rupak. When was Narad Smriti composed? During the Gupta period. Which deity was worshipped by Sudra in the Gupta period? Krishna. What is the best documented in the Gupta book? Law books. Bhagavad in the Gupta period centered around which Gurvis too? What was the 2-meter high bronze Buddha image found? Bhagalpur. Who wrote Muchikatika? Sudrak. Mudarakshas by Vishakha described the rise of whom? Chandragupta Maurya. Amar Khosa was written by Amar Simha in which court? Vikramaditya Chandragupta II. What was the most important port in the Gupta period? Tamralipi, West Bengal. In Gupta period, which language did Sudraj and women speak? Prakrit. What is the theme of Manish love affair? When did the response system started? Around 580. Who started trigonometry? Aryabhat. Who calculated planetary position using the Babylonian method? Aryabhat. Who stated the earth rotates? Aryabhat. Who said the moon revolves around the earth? Baramitra. Who developed the Sulabha Sutra and worked in the value of pi? Bodhyan. Who solved equation in Khanda Khadikya? Brahmagupta. Who considered 0 as a number in the Brahma Sutra Siddhanta? Brahmagupta. Who is famous for Lilavati Vijaya Bhaskaracharya? Who was famous physician from around 2nd century? Sultan Charaka. Who gave the concept of gravity? Brahmagupta. Who was Baramitra astronomer? Who is associated with Stack, Snake and Gyandev? When and by whom was trigonometry developed in India? Aryabhat in 5th century AD. Who ruled North India after the Gupta period? White Huns. Who ruled northwestern India after the Gupta period? Hanesar. Who wrote Harisaritra? Banbhat. Which Chinese scholar visited Harsa court? Hyun Sang. Who challenged Harsa by cutting the Bodhi trade Gaya? Sasank of Gaura. Who stopped Harsa at the Narmada? Pulkesin 2. What many divisions of revenue was mourned during Harsa time? 4. King scholars for still religion. What did Kannauj Assembly of Mayan with Harsavardhan? What in the Kannauj Assembly Hyun Sang and Bhaskar Mani? Which drama were written by Harsa? Priyadarshika, Ratnavali and Nagananda. Which assembly were convened by Harta Priyag and Kannauj? What is the capital of Pandichak, Badami? What is the capital letters of the Kannauj? Who overthrew the last Alukya called Kirtivarma Rashtrakuta King Dirty? What was the capital of Chandela King Rajaram? Who attacked the Chandela Gaznavid and Khurid? What is the capital of Pallavas? Kanchipuram. Who built the Panai temple? Pallavas. Who built the Targir Savara temple? Narsimha. Who founded Rashtrakuta Empire? Dante Durga. When did the Chola rule? Asoka, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. What was the portrait of Chola Rajaraja who convinced Rajaraja? Who in core water is Surivarma, who industry called Akshavandhi, Surivamsa. What did the Pala dynasty of Biharabaga? Who is the legend of Pala Mahayan Tantraputi? When did the Vikram Sambat start 57? Sakya Sun 78. What is Gupta 319? So 2020 Kali Yuga started 3102. 4 Yuga in sequence. Kirta, Satya, Tritya, Dwapar and Kali. Why was Dwapar Yug considered the third Yug? Because events like the Ramayana were placed before Treta Yug. What is the meaning of Yavan Greek? What is Yavan Priya paper? What is Iripati? Revenue assigned for village tank maintenance. What are Ghatika College Temple? What are Taniyur's large village? What is line capital of Asoka Medapula? Sandstone. What is where the line capital located? Laksana site of Buddhist sermon.